Hello everyone. So today's Leetcode question is minimum number of operations to make array empty. This is a medium category question. So the question states that you are given a zero indexed array nums consisting of positive integers. Three are two types of operation that you can apply on the array any number of times. So the operations are choose two elements with equal values and delete them from the array. Choose three elements with equal values and delete from the array. After that, we return the minimum number of operations required to make the array empty or -1 if it is not possible. First, let's understand the question. So basically the question says that we have a array nums and we have to make the array empty. For that, we can apply only two operations on this array at a time. So you can remove two equal elements from array at a time, or we can remove three equal elements from array at a time. And we have to remove minimum number of operations required to make the array empty. If it is not possible to make the array empty, we have written -1. So first we see that if there are any element which occurs only one time in the array, so it is not possible to remove that element because we remove two elements or three elements at a time. So if any element, so if any element occur only one time in array, our answer is -1. Okay. So after that, first we count the frequency of every element in array. So let's understand this with an example. So let's say that here we have three cases. So in the first case, we have any element which is occur m times and m is multiple of 3. So we can remove these three or any of three combinations. So we can, so the number of operation, minimum operation is n by normal n by 3. Okay. So our case number 2 is if any elements occurs multiple of 3 plus 1 times. So let's say there are m 2's. So here we can remove these three, and here we have remain one element. So we cannot remove it. Okay. So first, what we can do? First, we remove these three, and we not removing these three because of we can make two pairs of this elements, these two and these two, and we can remove in the pair. So the operations when we remove three elements at a time, m by 3 -1, and we have remain four elements after that. So we can remove in the pairs. So two more operations required. So here the total number of operations for this case is m by 3 plus. And case 3 is the elements which occur n times and m is multiple of 3 plus 2. So here when we remove these three, we have remain two more elements and we can remove these two in one operation. So the operations for this case is m by 3 plus 1. Okay, so let's code this question. First, n is length of array nums dot length. Okay, after that, we declare a hash map to require to store the frequency of every element. So hash map, okay, hash map integer, comma, integer equal to hs equal to hash map. So the first integer is tell about the element, and the second integer is telling about the number of occurrence that elements in the array. So let's store the frequency of every element in hashmap I plus plus. So if hashmap already contains that element nums of I, then the frequency of that element now become previous frequency plus 1, and now we can change the frequency of that element is hs dot put nums of I, comma frequency. Otherwise, if that element is not present in hashmap or it occurs first time in array, then we can simply put its frequency is 1, comma 1. So we declare our answer. First, our answer is 0. So 4. mm, So we iterate the hashmap as a set dot and key set. So this is the element, and the value of this element is the frequency of that elements in the array. So if just dot get it, so this is the give the frequency of that element, and if this is 1, then we simply return -1 because we cannot remove one element from the array. And our three cases, there are three cases: a multiple of 3 plus 1, and multiple of 3 plus 2. So here what we can do, if first int m equal to hs dot get it. Okay. M percent 3 equal to 0 means the elements occurs multiple of 3 times. So our operation equal to n by 3 and answer plus equal to operation. So else your case 2 is m percent 3 equal to 1. So that int what is the value of operation in this case? M by 3 plus 1. M by 3 plus 1. So answer plus equal to operation. So last case is remaining. In this case, operation. What is the value of operation? Operation is m by 3 plus 1. M by 3 plus 1. Answer plus equal to operation. Okay. So now our answer is ready. So we can return this. Let's run the code. Okay. Comma frequency. Okay. Okay. The semicolon is out display. Our both cases are expected. So let's submit the code. The code is submitted successfully, and this is the Java code for this question. Or we can simplify this thing. What we can do normally, what we can do simply answer plus equal to m by 3, and if m m% 3 is not equal to 0, then our answer is increase by 1, because in all cases we add m by 3, m by 3, m by 3, and when the remainder is not 0, so we can add 1 and 1 in both cases. So here this we do. So let's submit this also. So this is also accepted. Here is your code. Thank you for watching.